Hi, this is Sam Doncaster. I'm the owner and founder of Fraud Fighters Law Firm, and I want to talk to you about one of the most common misconceptions regarding damages in a real estate case, particularly in a rising market. And that is how appreciation affects damages for a fraudulent non-disclosure. One of the options you're going to have as the buyer is to claim damages based on the difference in value between the house, what it would have been worth if it had been in as disclosed condition, versus what it's actually worth in light of the undisclosed defects. So for instance, most people, they're buying their house for what they honestly think it's worth, given the state of the disclosures and what they know about it. So you start with, say your purchase price is $750,000. But on the day of closing, there are undisclosed defects, black mold in the house, and the true value is only $600,000. That difference, $750,000 minus $600,000, $150,000, that's going to be a damage you're entitled to claim. That's not it, but it's going to be a part of it. A lot of people, I think, get hung up on if the property appreciates, they don't realize they're still entitled to collect that. So let's carry this example further, right? You buy the house with undisclosed black mold. It's truly worth $600,000 even though you bought it for $750,000. A year goes by and the entire market goes up in value. And now, all the properties in the area have appreciated by $150,000. So the property you bought for $750,000 that was truly worth $600,000 on the day you bought it is now back up to $750,000. Do you still have damages? Yes. Yes, you do, and here's why. Because your damages are locked in on the day of purchase. If the market goes up after purchase, your damages are the same. If the market goes down after purchase, your damages are the same. They are locked in on that day. And so here's another way to think about it. You buy the property for the purpose of benefiting from appreciation, right? If you didn't have damages just because the property happened to appreciate, then everybody would get away with fraud, because over a long enough period of time, property is always going to appreciate to the point where it's worth more than this person actually paid for it. But the law doesn't allow liars to get away with lying just because the market tends to go up. It protects your interest not just in the property, but the opportunity to profit as the property appreciates. And so because of that, subsequent appreciation, subsequent value increases after the day of purchase, they don't diminish your right to damages at all. You're still entitled to that full delta locked in on the day of close.